Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We are here at the Rooster Run. I've told you about this place before. It's awesome for breakfast in Hurricane, Utah. Rudy's gonna come meet us. We're gonna have breakfast before heading off on the road today. A little day trip, if you will. Feeling a little nervous about it. Why? I'm probably gonna tell you that a little later on, but we're gonna head on in now. All right, we're here. It's back there somewhere. We just have to pay for it and then hope that it drives, because Rudy and I are gonna.
It drove when we test drove it the other day.
We did test drive it, but not all the way back to Utah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. We gotta go. Ah, I'm excited. Oh, it's a wee bit nippy here.
What's what?
I don't know why I took my...
You need a set of walls, Holly.
A wall? A what?
Walls.
Walls.
Yeah.
I've never heard of walls.
They're great. They're the best. They're the original, actually.
They're the original.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, how's it going? We're so good at film, right?
Oh, yeah.
Hell
Good
yeah.
stuff.
How are you doing, my love?
I'm good. Hey, y'all.
Good. Excited. Today is the day.
So first things first. There's the 2500.
One more thing I forgot to add on to you when we first initially. It comes with 2 keys.
Oh.
Whoa. Okay.
A key for me and a key for Rudy.
And then I guess we need the title.
Oh, whip that out of nowhere. He's like, title? I got you. This isn't just a random. This is my husband, by the way, walking around.
Walter, nice to meet you, man.
Tell me what you think of it, because you didn't see it in person.
Full size, beautiful, love it. Good choice, guys. Good choice.
You seem...
No, I think
you gotta be like ecstatic.
I am ecstatic. This is
him
me ecstatic.
100%.
100%.
So guys, for all of you who guessed the Ram Charger with the little tiny non-existent clips that I gave you, you guys are freaking detectives. You were all over that. All over it straight away. But yes, you guys were correct. Now, unfortunately, we still can't tell you what this is for, who the other 2 big YouTubers are who are going to be in this competition, and what the competition actually is just yet. Hopefully that will be on the next episode for this series with Rudy, and then you'll be able to find out everything. But for now, what we're doing is we're just going to sign over the title right now, and Rudy and I are going to hop in this thing and drive back to Utah. A little nervous about that. We were considering bringing the trailer, but you can see no trailer. We have that much faith in this vehicle. The ram head will take us home. So let's get this business over and done with, and we're probably going to go to the gas station, put that beautiful high-end 91 octane gas in there to just scoot it on into Utah, and let's see how it drives, rides, and how we're feeling about it.
Think it's gonna make it?
No.
All right.
Quick question.
Oh yeah.
You think it's gonna make it to Utah?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I have all the faith.
Without a doubt.
All the
Yeah,
faith.
Rudy, yes. That's a yes.
Without a doubt. Place not found. Firing mode.
How are you feeling so far? We've driven
Around the corner.
quarter of a mile, if that.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah!
All right.
We have the beats in here too.
These brakes are like touchy, way touchier than they used to be.
is them boots. It's the boot power.
Look at how big that pedal is. You can do two foot it. I want to increase our chances of getting home. A lot of you will say that's a waste, but in these older vehicles, it's really not. They really like the higher octane.
Yep.
So.
Oh man, now you can see. Okay, that made a massive difference. I always forget that you can wash your own windows here. It's way better. Like a million times better. Thank you, sir.
No worries. $10.
$10?
Yeah, it's not free here anymore.
Have you heard of the thing called inflation at the moment, sir?
Yeah, so with considering that, it's probably closer to 20, 25.
I'll give you 10.
Okay.
Okay, our plan is to make it home. We're in Nevada. We need to make it to Utah. We just put some great juice in her, so hopefully she'll be happy about that, and we'll get back. These brakes though. Let me put my seatbelt on before I break my nose or something stupid like that. So comfortable. Did we scare you?
Yeah, I was like, where the heck are they going? That was awesome. That was scary, but awesome.
He scared me too. He was like, let's scare Walter, went off road. I was like, ah! Oh man. How does it look going down the road?
That's pretty good. It's
Yeah?
like an old square body Dodge. I like it.
Very cool. I got a key.
You got a key? You can use your
I got a key. Like he's the only one with the key.
Because that's all it would take. And according to my calculations, that's like 24 miles to the gallon. I mean, that's freeway miles.
Wait.
Look the other way.
Yeah.
There you go.
Can't even put the key in.
Yeah, there we go. Is this, like, I don't know. You gotta get used to the old vehicles, honey.
Well, guess what? First of all, I'm not from America. And second of all, I'm a young spring chicken. I'm just joking.
Young
You're younger than I am. Okay,
Yeah. The
so
problem is I grew up with vehicles like this. Yeah, this is nice. The power steering stopped working, by the way.
oh.
Oh, it goes along the freeway, and it just is really, it looks really entertaining. Oh my gosh, that was very nice.
Now, Rudy did that because I literally can't reach it. I mean, I can reach it here, but when it's up there, I can't reach it.
Well, maybe put it in drive now and see if it crawls. Oh, what? Look at that!
The light came on. So what we're doing right now is Walter
the
is
back or the
coming
front?
on in here, and we're gonna take this thing off road.
So we're going on a loop along the freeway, and it's going to connect us to the next exit.
Okay, I just checked it out on Onyx. It looks
Here we
good,
go.
actually.
Yeah,
Well, are you ready for this?
I am ready.
Look, it just moves by itself.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Looking for low.
Yeah, of course it is.
Look at
The
that.
light came
The
on and
four-wheel
everything.
drive light is on.
Engaged. Let's try putting it in 4 high and see how that does.
4 high?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's 2. Okay, perfect.
Okay, we good?
Yep, we're good.
So these guys are gonna come down this wash in a truck that they purchased, I don't know, an hour and a half ago. Now, there's no cage, there's no spare tire, there's no trailer, and it's a little sketch, to be honest, but that's all right. We'll see what they can do. I'm encouraged because there are tire tracks where they want to go, but this is a stock vehicle that they don't know, so we'll see how it goes. Careful.
Oh, I think we should definitely safety first on this one.
That's it. It'll go straight off of that, by the way.
What?
It will go straight off of that, by the way. What?
Is that where you're gonna go?
Yep. That's the way.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
These are actually not.
All right.
Andy, come up here. Okay.
It's actually not that bad.
No, it's not terrible. Even though we're just like hanging here.
Really hanging. Just hanging out.
Okay.
You know, having fun.
How's it look, Andy? Okay. Good stuff.
I wonder how the butt's gonna do.
We have a receiver hitch, so it should be.
That way.
Okay,
Well, there goes our exhaust tips.
We didn't need those.
No, we didn't.
We're gonna get rid of them anyway. This seat is so Dodge-tastic. See what I did there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Feel the flex.
Woo! Woo!
All right, so what's ahead of them is not a wash. That is a straight up drop off into a canyon. So let's see where they're gonna have.
Gonna drive up.
Oh yeah.
Heck
You can
yeah.
even drive up that if you want and drive back down it.
Oh, I might drive. I'll go up.
It totally just was exhaust. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, look at this thing.
Definitely the right choice. Now I gotta drive up there, scraping a butt. Sparta. This is Sparta. Are you ready?
This is a pretty good hit.
Right on the path.
You got this. Well, you should have went a little wider.
Let it eat.
This thing
That was
is
nice.
a beast. This is so much fun. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
Wow, that was special.
That was
so good.
That was incredible. Oh my gosh. Remember, this is not only showing on my channel, this is showing on Rudy's channel. Rudy Adventure and Design. You gotta check his channel out because we're both covering this in our own kind of way and our own kind of style. But that, ladies and gentlemen, that was awesome. Woo! It looked good?
Did it feel good?
It felt great. How was that for you?
Well, we hit a bump a little harder.
Oops, sorry. How did that look for you?
I thought you were gonna break something.
Me break something? Never. Oh, that was so good. It's way more capable than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know why I didn't think it was capable, but it surely is. Wow.
Now let's
Wow.
hope it's capable enough to take a little bit of a beating and drive 70 miles an hour home.
Yeah, that's what I said before. I said, okay, it's done good so far. We gotta make it back home now. So along the dirt road we shall go back to Walter's truck. Drop him off at his truck so he can follow us just in case we need anything. And get back home. Came back from having dinner. We were just taking pictures along the way and being kind of touristy with the new build. Obviously not new build, old, but making it better.
So we are building it?
Yeah, we're building it. We kind of contemplated maybe not building it because it's so magical in its own way, but I think we're gonna do it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. There's a lot to come. Keep posted. Make sure that you head on over to Rudy Adventure and Design. You gotta make sure that you check out his channel. Keep watching. We're gonna be doing a lot with this, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the morning.